Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python complete course for beginner. In the previous video we learned about function with parameter and arguments. We learn what are function, what are parameters and what are arguments. Function with one argument, function with multiple argument, positional arguments, keyword arguments and default argument. In today's video we are going to learn another very concept related to functions. Now our first topic for that video, return statement in Python. Here I am no open notes function. The return statement is used to send or result or values back from a function. In this video we will understand what a return statement, why do we use return function with return value, difference between print and return, returning one value, returning multiple values, using a returned value in another calculation. Practical example, practice question. So let's start. Now first, here I am writing the definition of return value. What is a return statement? A return, here I am writing a return statement is used to send a value back from a function. This is the definition of return statement. I will zoom that. Now it's visible. For example, suppose we create a function that adds two numbers. For add two numbers, open VS Code, cut all, def, add, then underscore, numbers, number 1, comma number 2, total, number 1 plus number 2, return total. In this function, return total sends the value of total back to the place where the function was called. Now we can store the returned value in a variable. See here, result is equal to add add numbers 10, 20, print result. Now see the output. Now see the output. output is 30. Understanding the complete program. Def add numbers number 1 total is equal to number 1 plus number 2 turn total result is let us let us understand the program step by step. First the function is defined. Def add underscore number, then number 1 comma number 2. The function accept two parameters number 1 and number 2. Then total is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Adds the two value. The values are number 1 is equal to 10. Number 1 is equal to 10. Number 2 is equal to 20. Therefore number 2 is equal to 20. Total here total 10 plus 20 30. The result is total is equal to 30. Then return total. Send the value 30 back from the function. Finally result is equal to add underscore number 10 20. Store the return value in the variable result. Store the return value in the variable result. Therefore result is equal to 30. Then print in the then here the internal logic means print sum colon comma result display sum 30. Why do we use return? The return statement allows us to use the result of a function later in program. Def add number 1 number 2 return number 1 plus here just putting in the next line return number 1 plus number 2 in the next line result is equal to add numbers 10 comma 20. Then final underscore result is equal to result into 2. Print final underscore. Let's write this. Take 5 minutes to read this. Here we write, just wait for one moment. Number one, comma number two. Here we write this. Now see the output. Output is 60. First we write num1 is comma num2 10 plus 20 here, and the function return 30. The value is stored in result is equal to 30, then final result 30 into 2, therefore final result is equal to 60. This is one major advantage of using return. Now difference between print and return. Many beginners Many beginners think that print and return and the same, however, they perform different tasks. The print function display the value on the screen. Many beginners think that prints and return are same, however, they perform different tasks. The print function display a value on the screen. The return statement sends a value back from a function. Let's understand with the example. Now first write def add number. Total, here I am write return total is equal to num1 plus number 2. In the next line print the print total print total add number. On VC, on the VC on. Now see the output. Alt F. Sorry. Here take 1 minute. Now see the output. Alt Fs, then click on run button. Def add numbers number 1 number 2, total is equal to num1 plus number 2, print total add numbers 10 20, output is 30 चाहिए. The result is displayed on the screen, however the value is not returned from the function on the VC. on camera. Mm. Now example. Okay. Important difference. Now the my Gmail open camera. Wait for 2 minutes. On we see important difference. Print display the value. Return sends the value back from the function. Now on camera, the return value the return value can be stored in a variable used in another calculation, passed to the another function, printed later. Mm. Now function without parameter but with return. Now on VC means VS Code. A function return a value even if it does not have parameter. Now right here, now def get numbers. This is the example of function without parameter but with return. Now get number, then colon, in the next return 100. In the next line result is equal to get number bracket and print result. print result. Mhm. Now click on run button. The function return the value 100. The returned value is stored in result. The returned value is stored in result function with parameters and return value. Now, now, I have some practice question for you. Create a function that accepts two numbers and return their sum. Question 2. Create a function that accepts two numbers and return their product. Question 3. Create a function that accepts a number and return its square. Question 4. Create a function that accepts a number and return its cube. Create a function that accepts length and width and return the create a function that accepts two numbers and return a large number. Create a function that checks whether a number is even or odd. Explain the difference between print and return. Create a function that returns a welcome message. Question 10. Use the return value of a function in another calculation. In this video, we will learn about the return statement in Python function. Uh, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell so don't miss the upcoming videos in our 30-hour Python complete course for beginner. Thank you so much for watching. I am just Karan. Keep learning, keep practice and keep coding. Happy coding.